Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. It is 11:07 p.m. Central Standard Time on March the 2nd, 2022. I hope our Creator is keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. Please make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you are new, make sure you share this with other platforms. We have got some funky anomalies going on here. We are looking at GOES16 SUV composite 195 angstroms. Now, watch this as I advance this. Okay, 445, right? Oh wait, watch this next one. Right up here, top right corner. Uh-oh. Actually, see how it got closer there? Wait a second here. What's happening to the sun? And it's black. It went out. And the thing is that, let me tap that. If you watch it, it doesn't go in like the normal disc, where it covers like a good portion of it, or like some kind of a planet. I mean, you can see the shade coming down here where the coronal holes are. Like, you see that? That's a weird takeover, like some kind of black goo or something. Look at that. That is just weird. That is really weird. And so for comparison, and actually, to be honest with you, I was actually over here just looking to see if we had extra flares. Didn't see any. Came over here, played that, and I'm like, what the fragmog is that? So guess what? I come over here to ISWA. And that was you remember the time on that, right? 445 here, watch. 449 and a 453. It's out, right? Well, it's not over here. Look at this, 452. I should be seeing some kind of darkness there, and there's nothing. Why do I not see anything there? What's going on with theirs? Oh, this is SDO. So maybe... Oh. Well, this is stereo. Soho. What is that one again? Hold on. GOES16 SUV composite. Yeah. SUVI. Right? I don't see an SUVI anywhere. I'm wondering. That's pretty interesting, though. I don't know what to tell you, folks, but that was definitely a weird thing. Well, I couldn't find the other 195, so whatever that is on GOES16, it just is. That might be that spike down. Remember I was showing you guys that there was that oh, that's what that is. Ah. Okay, I just had the old ding 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 going off in the old melon here. Let's look at our time here, shall we? Looks like it right about 5 o'clock in the morning. See, look at that. GOES16 is not here. You guys notice that? GOES16 is missing. And it's right at 5 a.m. So, we go up here, and it's 5 a.m. And go, oh, you little turd. GOES has been blocked. It's being blocked in some way, shape, or form right at 5 o'clock. So, just like, yeah, look at that. Just like we had that happening to SDO, now it's happening to GOES16 right around 5 o'clock. Yeah. And now we've got it trackable. Very nice. Okay, that makes sense now. Shows you how much I've been keeping an eye on that, huh? I've been slacking. But now we're going to bring back over here some fun stuff. Stereo head chronograph 2 science data. Look at this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Now, here's a quick question for everybody. For those of you who are I'm going to call you my veteran subs. Anybody recognize something missing right here? Anything missing? Like that space station? It's not there. But oh, hey, look at all these spaceships we got here. Look at all of them. Here, bunch of them here, bunch of them, string of them here. There's another string around here. Might be some here, some here. There is something going on. That is craziness. Well, look at these guys. In fact, let's actually just save that bugger, huh? Save image. I'll just say, let's go up here to friends. Friends. Save them, because those are friends. Now, let's go see what else we got. So yeah, I might have to try and go back a little bit and see if I can't find our our space station, folks. Because yeah, it's not there. Ooh, there's some more friends there. Our space station is not here, folks. It's all of a sudden gone away. This is why I come out here and I check it every once in a while to see where it's gone. You can almost see it kind of cloaked there. You can almost see it if you really get close to it. If you kind of squint your eyes a little bit, you can kind of see it. But it's definitely not like it was before. Oh yeah, it's there. It's there. It's just hidden. You see it? Right there? You guys see it? It's there. It's just, they're starting to cloak it now. I'm telling you, the more I've been putting that up there, they're like, oh crap. Other people are starting to see it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Do you see that? It just popped up out of nowhere. Do you see it? They had it cloaked. I wonder what happened. Why is it all of a sudden not hidden anymore? Oh, I love this. Oh, I really do. I love it when they just keep messing up like that. Like, what happened? Uh-oh. We gotta get the clocking device back up. Whoa. There's a close encounter right here, isn't it? Whoa, he's really close. Actually, there's one. Looks like 2, 3 of them right here. Let's just go on ahead and save this guy too, huh? So you guys are going to kind of do this with me. Anyways, just remember, folks, stay safe out there and don't ever be afraid. Everything's going to be okay. Eyes open. No fear. Remember, love is the only way forward. As long as we just show unconditional love for each other. Not just as human beings, but just like love each other. And if there's somebody that you loved at one point, you should still love them. Even if you have anger towards them, talk it out. Honestly talk it out. Yell it out, scream it out, whatever. Just, let go of those negative emotions. Because we need to move on in a positive manner. So we need to let go of the negative. Just get it all out. That's a good pop right there on the 28th. And this is stereo heads that was coming off behind, not at us. Which is good. Ooh. You can clearly see a guy here. Clearly see one here. I just find that funny how that was gone and then all of a sudden, oh, here we are. Oh, there's more friends there. But that's all there is on this. It's always a few days behind. So anyways, have a good night, folks. Mystery solved on the GOES. Why it keeps going, the spikes keep going down. Yeehaw.